Hello, if you are wondering what is this flower in the camera on iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max, then the answer is actually pretty simple. This is the macro mode, where we can take macro photos, so we can take pictures of really small objects in order to capture them in the best quality possible. Of course, you can tap on this flower in order to turn on and off the macro camera lenses. However, of course, if you don't want to ruin your photo of the small object, then of course you want to use this option. And if you want to completely get rid of this flower, then what you can do is go to the camera settings. So let me actually go back to show you how to access it. So over here in the camera settings, you want to, in the settings, you want to go to the camera settings. So you want to tap camera, and then over here you can go to, you can scroll down to find the macro control. And if you tap on this slider, if you disable it, then the flower should no longer be there, even if you use a small object. This still means that we will use the macro camera when it is necessary. However, the flower will not be visible. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.